Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss class 12th biology chapter 9 enzyme, and today's topic is introduction of enzyme or history of enzyme. Or introduction of enzymes. Once again, today we are going to discuss class 12th biology chapter 9 enzymes, and today's topic is introduction of enzymes or history of enzymes. First of all, enzyme term derived two other words. First, it means in. Second, it means ist. Once again, in, it means in. Next, zyme, it means ist. So first enzyme discovered in East. Next, students, what is East? It is a unicellular fungi. Next, students, mostly fungi are multicellular, but only single fungi yeast is unicellular. It means yeast is exception of fungi on the basis of cellular mode, because mostly fungi are multicellular, but only single yeast is unicellular fungi. Next, use of yeast is making bread. Once again, use of yeast in making bread. It means yeast is a important fungi for humans as a food material. Next is history of enzymes. First is enzyme word or term given by Willy Kuhne. Once again, enzyme word or term given by Willy Kuhne. Next is first discovered enzyme by Buchner or Edward Buchner. Students, Buchner to discovered first enzyme zymase in yeast. So first discovered enzyme is zymase, discovered by Edward Buchner in yeast. Yeast is a exception of fungi. It is a unicellular fungi. Next is Berzelius. Scientist says to enzymes biocatalyst. It means biocatalyst is a other name of enzyme. Next, to say biocatalyst to enzyme is Berzelius scientist. Students, in chemistry book, all reaction are completed on the presence of catalyst. Once again, all or mostly reaction are completed on the presence of catalyst, but human reactions, it means biochemical reaction, are completed on the presence of biocatalyst. Once again, humans biochemical reaction are completed on the presence of biocatalyst. First time to say biocatalyst to enzyme, Berzelius scientist. Next is first time to get enzyme as a crystal form. Once again, first time to get enzyme as a crystal form by J.B. Sumner. J.B. Sumner. Next is chemical composition of mostly enzyme is protein. Students, mostly enzymes chemical composition is protein. Next, first time to say once again, first time to say mostly enzymes are made by proteins. Sumner, Northrop scientist. First time says to protein nature or protein chemical composition of enzymes by Sumner and Northrop. Next is first time awarded, once again, first time awarded with Nobel Prize for their work related with proteins, nature of enzymes by Sumner, Northrop and Stanley. Next is exception of enzymes nature or chemical composition is ribozyme. Students, ribozyme, first it is a enzyme, next discovered by Sheikh and Altman, next nature or chemical composition of ribozyme enzyme is RNA. Next is function of ribozyme is RNA splicing. RNA splicing during transcription or protein synthesis. Students, by transcription, formation of mRNA from DNA, next mRNA to forms protein by the process of translation. For example, a Greek scientist to say oven theory, it is called Greek theory. It is also known central dogma theory because completed in central part, it means nucleus part. Students, all of you study in class 11th Greek theory or central dogma theory. According to Greek, DNA, mRNA, next protein. When DNA to forms mRNA, before formation of mRNA, DNA. So replication. Next, transcription. It is a process. In this process, formation of mRNA from DNA. Next process is translation. In this process, formation of protein from mRNA. This completed in nucleus part. Nucleus is a center, so central dogma. This completed in cytoplasm part. First, in prokaryotic for or in protein synthesis. First, in prokaryotic, genetic information are found a sequence form, but in human, in eukaryotic, genetic information are found on mRNA as a segment form. For example, mRNA, eukaryotic mRNA to have two specific segment. First is exon, second is intron. Exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron. Once again, two specific segment of specific segment are located on mRNA during transcription or during protein synthesis. First is exon, second in intron. The exon and intron are located in a sequence form or alternate form. Once again, exon and intron are located in alternate form like exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron, exon, intron. Exon is genetic information segment, but intron is non-genetic information segment. So the process is splicing. Students, this process, splicing process completed in this part. So removing of intron segment, because they did not have genetic information. So removing from mRNA, removing from hnRNA. So the genetic information can be a sequenceable form. So exon, exon, exon. So mRNA become short in size because the non-genetic segment intron remove, so short DNA. It is called mRNA. Students, this RNA is hnRNA, heterozygous. Hetero, it means different. Exon, intron are different. Exon, intron, they are different. Nuclear, because this RNA formed in nucleus part. So in humans, in mammals, two stable two RNA, because the genetic information did not have in sequence form. So head and tail part two. First is stable. So to add 5 methyl guanosine triphosphate in head part, in tail part, to bind, to add maximum number adenine, maximum numbers to say poly. Adenine, this part head, this part tail, so tail part is called poly A tail, head part is called capping. In head part bind to 5-methyl guanosine triphosphate, so to forms mRNA. This mRNA is sequenceable segment RNA, 5-methyl guanosine triphosphate. This segment is capping, this is poly A tail. So students, the function of RNA splicing completed by ribozyme enzyme. So function of splicing is completed, and the last point is definition of enzymes. Students, organic compounds made up of protein, it means mostly enzymes made by protein, and function as biocatalyst. Students, first time to say enzyme to biocatalyst by Berzelius scientist in living cell are called enzymes. So thanks once again. Definition of enzyme is enzyme, organic compound made of protein. It means mostly enzyme are made by protein, but single enzyme ribozyme made by RNA, but discovered of ribozyme Sek and Altman. Function as biocatalyst in living cells are called enzymes. So thanks, have a nice